I'm alive?
Yes.
Well, hello and welcome to UK PonyCONLINE's first virtual adventure, Britannia's birthday bash. For once, for an opening ceremony, I've actually written myself a few notes. I just want to extend a massive welcome to everyone, wherever you're from as well, because I know we've got loads and loads of people from around the world also tuning in, which is really, really exciting. I'm Bexy. I'm usually the events lead and the MC of UK PonyCon when we're at the physical convention, but today I'm being the MC as much as I can, and also I only found out earlier this week that I am the UK PonyCONLINE lead. I've been doing the events and helping with events and vendors, plus also the moderators and a bit on the social media as well. So that's just a bit about who you're watching today if you don't know who I am. So what's happening? So we have got two streams on our site. You will see I'm currently on the Britannia stage, but then we've also got the Starlight stage, which there isn't an event until 12. So that's just in the next hour. And all the timings that I'm going to say are BST, because we're in the UK. So we've got streams on site with loads of amazing panels today. Check them out. You can find them all on our website, which is online.ukponycon.co.uk, and you'll be able to see it all there, as well as the two streams as well. We have got a slight change in the event schedule. So unfortunately, MLP Fever won't be able to deliver her panel today, but instead we've got the amazing Hypno who's going to do a cosplay on a budget panel. So he'll be in the 3 PM slot, but we'll be changing over the schedule shortly. We've got so I've mentioned we've got two stages, so we're bringing you quite a lot of events. When we started out this, it was a case of we're going to start small and just have one stage. And I got so many amazing panel applications. I was like, we're going to have to make it two stages because I can't, it's just amazing. So yeah, we've got two stages, so you've got lots of choice as well. And we've got all sorts of different panels, from art panels, pony room tours, and everything in between as well. Discord, join our Discord. It's where our community chat is happening. We've got voice channels, we've got channels, we've got general chats, and much, much more. You can find our link to the Discord on the online website and also Twitter and Facebook as well. The vendor hall. This is where it gets extremely exciting. Our lovely, lovely vendors have all got a stall in Discord, so you can see all their lovely wares on sale there, and you can contact them through Discord. But also they've got the links on the website as well, so you'll be able to click and go through the links and go that way if you aren't on Discord. So more ways to shop. You know, what is UK PonyCon without being able to browse the amazing, amazing stalls? We have two Twitters, which have been quite newly done, so you might not know. So we have got at UK PonyCONLINE, which is going to be giving you constant updates of different events on the event schedule, what's coming up, retweeting you, this, that, and the other. So if you want to stay really, really, really in the loop with UK PonyCONLINE, then keep an eye on that Twitter channel. Also, we've got at UK PC Britannia, which is our lovely, lovely mascot's very own Twitter. So you'll be able to see all sorts of things that she's doing. And also, please, if you do any fan art of her, please tag that account and we'll proper retweet on it. Sorry, I'm just so proud I've actually remembered to do notes this time, which aren't in the right order, but we'll go with it. So you might be sitting there wondering, how did this happen? You know, just, I think it was a month ago that we only just announced that this was happening. So with the situation, with everything that's going on, we obviously at UK PonyCon and committee, we all knew that we were going to have the big discussion about postponement. It wasn't something we wanted to, like, it wasn't a topic we'd expected to talk about at the beginning of the year when we announced UK PonyCon, but unfortunately, it's something we had to take, and we took into consideration the safety of everyone and how the event is and all that, and we decided it would be best to postpone to May for the May 2021, 8th and 9th. So not you don't have to wait until next October for the next physical con, hopefully. It was really hard to do. I know for a fact I didn't sleep whilst we were discussing it all. I didn't sleep for a while. That's like perfectly, because I know how much this con means to both myself and everyone that attends. I know how much we all love UK PonyCon, and yeah, it was sorry. It was a really hard decision. So I didn't want the community to go over a year without seeing people, but also because we're all, like, lots of us are still in lockdown. Myself, I'm on furlough, and like, why not bring the community together a bit earlier as well? So yeah, here we are. I've been loving all the community chat and the discussion in Discord. It's really exciting. I've seen so many new names and faces, so welcome. So yes, I wanted to help bring the community together in this time. Also our lovely vendors, lots of vendors are missing out on revenue from all sorts of cons, so if we can help them like a bit earlier and promote their amazing wares, then it's epic. Also, I will be talking more about this in the next segment if you've seen the timetable, but we also want to show our support to the Amazing Riding for the Disabled Association, which is a charity that UK PonyCon has supported for many years, but I will be giving more information on the next segment. I've already touched on this one, but I wanted to make a place for us to meet and discuss our passion. Why didn't I use words I can speak? To make a place for us to meet and discuss our passion and have fun. Thus, UK PonyCONLINE was born. So early on, when we started this project, I drew up 3 different aims. These were, if you've had a vendor pack or a panelist pack or a moderator pack, you'll have seen them in their full, but I'm just going to sum them up here. So to provide one of our first aim was to provide a fun and entertaining stream to help alleviate the mental strain of lockdown and bring the community together. The second one was raise awareness. I'm so sorry, but I'm not used to speaking, really. To raise awareness of our fundraiser for the Riding for the Disabled Association. And third, to help promote vendors and artists who have lost out on revenue due to COVID. I just knocked something on the floor, so you may see me disappear to pick it up in a sec. So why have we chosen the theme of Britannia's birthday bash? First of all, when you hear a birthday party, you just think joy and excitement. So we wanted to bring something that's going to be really exciting and just epic over. Also, here's a little bit of knowledge. Britannia's birthday is shrouded in secrecy, and it just may well be lost in time. But, like the Queen, Britannia has an official birthday, and as soon as she heard that we were all planning on doing an online event, she snuck in and was like, I decree that we shall be celebrating my birthday on this day. And we were like, yay, we'll throw you a party with like everyone this time. So, woo, party time. I'm going to touch on this a little bit later as well, but we also, if this is well received as well, if people like this online con and stuff, and we didn't want to call it, well, I've just called it an online con, but we didn't want to really force an online con because this is a new learning experience for us. Lots of us haven't been involved in running and organising online conventions before, so if this is well received and people are enjoying it, we would aim to run another event like this on the weekends that UK PonyCon 2020 was meant to be on. But we'll be doing a lot of asking for feedback and researching even more on it. But with us doing this now, then we've got a good few months before October that we can really hammer down what and tweak what we need to. So keeping on that track, there may be technical difficulties, but we have got artwork and nice pictures to be able to show you in between, and whilst it's all being fixed. And we have our very, very, very amazing stream technicians who are going to be on the case as well. But again, it will help us iron out any creases for future events. So that's really good. Right, I need to pick this up. So a few other things that are happening are, first of all, you can collect your con badge on the channel on Discord. This is a printed off version, and there's space to write your name. I just realised this isn't mine, but there's space to write your name, and also you can sellotape a lanyard, and they look really snazzy. Sorry, I'm really short with this camera, so yeah. Yeah, so you can have your own con badge, because who doesn't love Sparkler's amazing con badge artwork? Also, merch. Lots of you were asking, is there going to be official merch? Yes, there is. Here is one of the designs. So you can buy them off our Redbubble shop. This is one of our designs, and it is a dabbing Britannia. Like, how amazing is that? There's also lots of other designs on store, and I just want to send a really, really huge thank you to all our arts team for really making truly phenomenal artwork. I just dabbed and I feel ashamed of myself. But so we've got con merch, so you can find it on Redbubble, and the cool thing about Redbubble as well is that the proceeds we get from there, we're going to donate at least 10% of every sale, so to the RDA. So, but I'll talk more about it in the next segment. Also, this is the bit where I disappear. You've noticed bingo, and how are we meant to generate bingo cards? So it's just going to be just for fun. There's going to be no prizes and stuff, but you'll be able to generate your own. I don't know if you'll be able to see your own bingo card, and what you need to do is we'll be popping this picture up in the announcement, and you can download, you can write it in, you can use your phone screen to put text on it as well, and you can see there's 9 squares. You pick from the list, and then you play along as myself, and I'm going to call out bingo things. So that is how bingo is going to work, just there. Also, I'm going to say that I am not the most tech savvy person, so if I'm doing any panels with Q&A and stuff, I'm going to have my phone at hand, just purely so I can keep checking for Q&A and anything like that, but there won't be Q&A for the opening ceremony. So what I'll say, join the community. So we're all on Discord, we're all chatting away. Please, if you are on Discord, please have a look at the rules and everything regarding all the rules. We just really want to make sure it's a fun, friendly space, that everyone can talk and try and recreate as much as we can the atmosphere of UK PonyCon at home and on a social media channel. It's like this is really strange. You know, I should be sorting out the events timetable for the physical October con. I should be having panelist applications out. I should be figuring out how to work with space, and it's just very, very strange. Yeah, so my stage is my living room. Luckily we had the backdrop in the shed. So I've got something that makes it feel more stagey, but I also I know it's not the same, but we really just want to help bring something and help bring the community together. Sorry, I'm just getting a bit, anything about UK PonyCon really means a lot to me, so I just want to bring something to you guys. And yeah, I did say at the closing ceremony at UK PonyCon 19 that it will happen next year, even if it has to happen from my back garden. So it is happening, but from my living room. So I wasn't far off. So yes, have fun, enjoy, and everything else. But that's enough from me for now. But there is a quick video message from someone who couldn't make it but wanted to send their best wishes, which will play shortly after this. But also, when the charity aspect comes, there will also be a charity aspect video as well. So enjoy the special message, have a lovely time. Feel free to talk to me as well on Discord. You'll see me and Bexy on there, and have an amazing time. Thank you.
Hi! Greetings! And a bountiful, joyful hello! How are you all? Oh, my lord, you're at PonyCon in the UK, darlings. Are you over there across the continent having a brilliant time, having a viral conference during this time of isolation when we're kept so far apart? And yet, oh, look at us. We've all come together online to share a magnificent, wondrous, glorious sense of magic and alchemy and sparkling delight. I hope you enjoy this wonderful convention until we can come together once again and I can share big hugs with you all, and I'm not forced to wear a mask. I'm not forced to wear gloves, but I can just hug you really, really, really hard. Remember, you are loved. You are special. You are so very important to the health of this planet and the beauty of all that is. Our hearts are together as one, and we shall always, always be kind. Be gentle, inclusive, and eternally grateful for each other. The MLP fandom is an incredible gift to humanity, and I am so happy to be a part of it. I am so, so grateful that you are all in my life, and you are sharing all the stories and all the love with each other and with me. You make my job possible, and I'm so happy to share that with you. So go forth, have a fabulous, fabulous convention. You know, hopefully you can order plushies online. I don't know what's going on this weekend when everything is planned. I wish I could be there in person, but I'm there in spirit. I am there in spirit, and I'm always there in spirit, darling, raising the bar so that we might all love a little harder, love a little longer, and love forever. Until I see you again. Go forth and conquer.